Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift an Infiniti G35. First, let's talk about preparation and safety. It's crucial to ensure your G35 is a rear-wheel drive model, as all-wheel drive versions are not designed for drifting. You'll also need to completely disable your traction and stability control systems. For better performance, consider a welded differential or a 1.5-way limited slip differential. Using worn rear tires can also make it easier to initiate slides. Now let's get into initiating the drift using a clutch kick. As you approach a corner, downshift and turn the steering wheel slightly into the bend. Next, depress the clutch pedal while simultaneously keeping your foot on the throttle, allowing the engine revolutions to climb. Then, quickly release the clutch pedal in one swift motion. This sudden power transfer to the rear wheels will break traction, causing the car's rear to slide out. Once the rear wheels lose traction, the next step is to sustain the drift. Immediately countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide, essentially steering into the corner. Use the throttle to control your slip angle and speed. A delicate balance is key. Too little throttle will cause the car to straighten, while too much will result in a spin. Always look ahead through the corner to anticipate your next move. Finally, let's cover exiting the drift in some practice tips. As you approach the end of the corner, gradually reduce your throttle input and smoothly unwind the countersteering lock. This allows the car to straighten out and regain full traction. Remember, practice is essential. Always begin in a safe, controlled environment, such as a dedicated drift track. Start at lower speeds and progressively increase them as your confidence and skill grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.